Okay, so here's the battery tray. It's got 2 bolts there. 1 bolt there. Okay. And of course the the canister bracket was there. Okay, now the actual canister, I just moved it over here. See? And I put that's some air conditioning duct tape. It's it's got real sticky. I mean, it belongs. See, can't pull it off. But it's foil and it's got insulation. And the reason for that is to keep the heat off of the canister. Is it necessary? Maybe, maybe not. But I do know that it gets more air over here. Anyway, there's a canister. Now, I've got it temporarily strapped there. Probably what I'm going to do is find another place, to put it possibly all the way to the back, like today's vehicle. I've got the bracket. It's a matter of finding a high enough spot, I guess, because I don't want the water to be around this thing. But it goes all the way to the back, and it barely fits under there. Look at that. If you twist it up, twist it around, because that's this here, it ends right there. It's like that, and it fits right under there. And there's the intake, same place. Nothing changed. I just put got a tray off for $30, and just take those 2 bolts and take that bolt off and sneak it under there, and you're all set. Now, in the original configuration, this was the other way. This right there, these 2 bolts were over here, right there. So what I had to do is I had to flip it this way, because this is in the way and it's too hard to put the battery in there. Now, the other thing I did is I moved the reservoir. Here's the power steering reservoir. And what I did is I actually used the same hole here, and I made a hole in the fender to put that bolt in. And over here, I don't know if you can see it, but I made a hole in the plastic and just used the same bolt that was in there. So just making a hole there, moving this. And you need to do that to make it easier to put the battery in there, otherwise you're going to fight it. Too much twisting around. So just move it. But that's the final thing. Now, if you see right there, there's a bolt and there's the other bolt. And what I did is I had some pieces of flat bar, and I just cut them. From there to the fender is 12 inches, and then you just have to make looks like probably 4 inches. You know what? You can get away with 2 or 3 inches, because the bolts are pretty low in there. Right there, the bolts are low. In fact, it's probably 1 inch to the bolt. So you just cut it here, and obviously this was extra, but I was trying to put it in there with the existing holes that I had made over here, and it wasn't level, so I had to level it. So now this is flat. It is really, I mean, you can't move this thing. It's impossible to move it. And that's good for the battery. No shaking around. But anyway, that was the final configuration.